In this video, I'll show you how to pin repositories on your GitHub profile. First, sign into your GitHub account and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select your profile to open your GitHub profile page. Next, scroll down to the Popular Repositories section. Click the Customize Your Pins link. A window will open showing the repositories you own or have contributed to. Now, select the repositories you want to pin to your profile. You can choose up to 6 repositories. Pick the projects that best represent your work, such as your portfolio projects, open source contributions, or your most active repositories. After that, click Save Pins to apply your changes. Your selected repositories will immediately appear in the Popular Repositories section of your GitHub profile, making them easier for visitors to discover. Finally, if you want to update your pinned repositories later, simply click Customize Your Pins again. You can remove existing repositories, add new ones, and rearrange your selections at any time to keep your profile up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin repositories on your GitHub profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.